Okay, right here is an Emerson Premium ceiling fan. Circa 1994 was manufactured. Here I'll zoom in on it so you can see it better, the vent pattern. That's a dead giveaway, that's premium. Okay, it's got a light kit, it's polished brass, 5 blades. You could probably get away with 4 on it since it has a flywheel. And it's powered by a dimmer switch right here. That controls the fan, that controls the light. But anyway, I'll rev up the light. You can regulate how dim or bright you want it, which is cool. I like the halogen light on it. It's got 3 speeds. And I'll start it out on low. Okay. Runs really slow for low. I call this restaurant speed. I have one of these fans, another one of these fans, still new in the box. It's white with polished brass accents, like the vent plate and the blade arms are polished brass, but the rest of the fan is white. But the blades are white reversible to washed oak, depending on your preference. I like the white and washed oak combination. That looks awesome. Okay. Bump it to medium. It's on medium now, as I said a few seconds ago. And I think we're ready for high. It's on high now, but it doesn't go too fast for some reason. I should have mentioned that it has a K55 stack motor in it, Emerson signature motor. They still make this fan, but they slightly altered it. There, see it? Yeah, I think it's a really neat fan. Alright, I think we're going to sign off now, and thanks for watching.